Naomi Home presents the Serena drafting chair unboxing video. First things first, grab your scissors or a box cutter and carefully cut the tape along the top. Don't go too deep. You don't want to scratch anything inside. Lay everything out flat so you can see what you're working with. This makes assembly way easier. Now let's put it all together. Attach the arms, then connect the chair base. Now pop these pieces in place, drop the pole and footrest, connect the chair. And you've done it! You've completed the unboxing of your Serena drafting chair. Make sure to check out our channel for the full product assembly video or follow us to be notified when it becomes available. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.